Namaste, welcome to Havilah's Elsha kitchen. Today our recipe is the simplest and easiest breakfast which can be made with two ingredients, and it's one among the top breakfast in South India. With this hint, many of you would have guessed our today's recipe, which is dosa. So now let's get started by seeing the ingredients: urad dal, rice and water. Now take a bowl. To that add 1 cup of urad dal, and now add 2 cups of rice. Now pour some water and wash them for at least 3 to 4 times. After washing, add required water and soak it for 6 to 8 hours. After 8 hours, you see the rice and the urad dal nicely soaked. First I am using mixie jar to grind it. Now add soaked urad dal and rice to mixie jar. And make a coarse paste. Okay, now to that add some water and make it as a fine paste as shown in the video. Now transfer batter to bowl. And add salt as per your taste and mix well. That's all, your dosa batter is ready. Now we'll see how people who have grinder can prepare this batter. Take the soaked urad dal and rice, add them to grinder and add little of water when required and make fine batter. Yeah, you can see the batter which I prepared using both mixie and grinder. Yeah, this is grinder dosa batter and green one is mixie dosa batter. Now let's see how to prepare dosa on dosa pan. Take batter and pour it on dosa pan and move it in one direction only as shown in the video. Okay, now pour oil, ghee or butter as per your taste on the edges and let the dosa get cooked. Once cooked, transfer it to plate and enjoy with groundnut or coconut chutney. That's all. Our simple and easiest breakfast is ready. Dosa. Crispy and yummy dosa. So thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Havilah Elsha Kitchen. Thank you.